Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about money versus knowledge. We are gonna to talk then what people think about money and what people think about knowledge. Today it is our topic. Today it is our topic. Then how to talk money versus knowledge. Okay? Any doubt?
No.
Any hesitations?
No.
You can talk.
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Then can you tell me what's your favor?
I am going to support money.
You are going to support money. Okay? And you? Knowledge.
We are going to support knowledge.
Knowledge. Very good. Then can you tell me what do you think about money? Of course, sir.
Of course, sir. Because
Take this. And tell me what do you think about money? And then why are you gonna to support money? Then what all do you think about money?
okay, sir.
It's okay?
It's okay.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Take this.
Hello, everyone. Now I'm going to tell about money. If any mistake, please forgive me. We are going to support money. Why I'm going to support money? There are a specific reason to behind it. Because everyone support money because that say that money is everything. And I also believe that money is everything for your family condition, for buying anything, and for your personally our life. So I can say that money is everything for our life.
Good.
So, my first. So, firstly, you spoke very well,
Very good.
but I have a question for you. If you want to start a business or a job, do you think that what will we have to need of money or knowledge?
Yeah, you can tell. What do you think? This is the question for you.
Yes.
What do
If you start any business, if you start your job, then that time what will you have to need? Money or knowledge? This is your question and reply these questions. Okay? Start.
Knowledge also very well,
Yeah.
but I have start any business.
Yeah.
But I gonna out of station first.
Yeah.
I have money. Will have spend money and I will have gather people starting your business
Very good.
slowly.
Yes.
If you want to improve your business, that time you need of money.
Very good. This is the answer of your question. Are you agree with him?
Yeah.
Very good.
I'm agree.
If you want to start any business or job, then person said you will have to need of knowledge. But this person said, okay, I agree with you. But that time first you will have to need of money for improving your business.
Business.
Starting a job, firstly you have to gather the people for your business.
Yes, sir.
First you have to spend money. Then after that you will have to need of knowledge. Very good. Then what do you think about this? Can you tell me something about knowledge? Very good. Take this.
It's okay, I agree with you, but knowledge is very important. Knowledge is much better than money. If you want to start any business or you want to go to out of station, first you have to need of money, because
Not a knowledge. You will have to need of knowledge.
you will have to knowledge. If you want to start any business, you have to knowledge.
Then suppose knowledge. If you want to buy a car, if you want to buy anything, that time what will you have to need? Money or knowledge? Money. But if you purchase by dint of money, buy car, then how to drive? How to drive? Then how to manage it? By dint of money or knowledge?
Knowledge.
Yes, of course. Why not?
Because everyone know that he has the money, then he can do anything.
Yes.
You can see that Mukesh Ambani is earn money lot of, but he has he has not drive.
Very good.
He
Listen my word. I'm sorry. Listen my word. Mukesh Ambani earned a money with the base of knowledge or directly money. Tell me this answer. Directly money or with a base of knowledge.
I agree with you, but with a base of knowledge and with the support of money also.
Yes.
Then he start his business, but he did not drive bike, drive car. He drive to other people driver. By dint of driver, his car drive.
Very good. First, when we talk to each other, then it's your first duty. Then try to understand other language. What is he saying? Okay. Then he say Mukesh Ambani. Then suppose any example, and other example I am going to give you. Suppose your mother is very serious. Okay. Your mother is very serious.
Yes.
Okay. And you want to admit your mother in a big hospital, in a private hospital, and you know very well in a private hospital how many fee did he get. Okay. But your mother is very serious and you want to get admit in your mother in a big hospital. Okay. As you reached in the hospital, then you said to doctor, hello doctor, please treat my mother because her condition is not good. But doctor said to that time, first you give the money, first you pay the money in a hospital, then after that I will treat your mother. Then what do you think about this matter? Knowledge or money?
Money.
Timing.
Money. Then what will you say about money? Sorry, knowledge.
Yes. If you have gone to the hospital and you want to get your mother treated there,
Yeah.
so obviously you will have to need of need of knowledge. Suppose that that executive said to you that first fill up the form. So if you do not have no knowledge, so how will you fill up the form?
Fill up the form. That
If
time
you-
you will
if
have
you
to need of
need of knowledge.
Okay.
Obviously.
But how to fill up? Then firstly, then how to purchase?
Yeah.
Firstly, then how to purchase the form? By dint of money or knowledge?
Money.
Tell me.
With the support of money, firstly I buy the form. Buy the form.
Buy the form by dint of money.
By dint of money.
Money. Okay. But guys, you know very well, in a private hospital, there is no need of money to purchase the form. We can get the form on free. Okay. But that time you will have to need of knowledge for filling the form.
Filling the form. Yes.
Okay. Then suppose my question is, I have some question. First, you go to doctor. Okay.
Yeah.
And you said to doctor, doctor, my mother condition is not good. Can you treat my mother? But doctor said to you, first you pay the fee.
Pay the fee.
Pay the fee. Okay. That time, what will you do? What will you
Firstly, I'll have to manage money
do? Money.
because if you do not have money, then
With
you
our
are not,
relations,
with
with
our
our family.
relation, we'll have to borrow the money
Yeah.
from our relationships. Whatever
So it's a
relations
so
we have.
it's a important. So you are borrowing that and the earning that. It's a important.
If you are not unable to manage all a lots of money,
But you
because-
can said one thing on a knowledge. If any person said this topic, serious, your mother is serious, then what will you say about money? Sorry, knowledge. Then what will you say? Say this. Okay, I agree with you. But you tell me only one thing. That time doctor hasn't knowledge. Then how will treat your mother? By dint of money or knowledge? This is the answer of this question.
Best
Yeah, that time doctor hasn't knowledge. Then how to treat your mother?
really treat.
Only by dint of knowledge, not
not
money. So, in this world, in this modern time, both are same. Money is also important and knowledge is also important. If you have a money, you can get the knowledge, and if you have a knowledge, you can earn money.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Are you agree with my point?
Yes, sir.
Both are same. Okay? It's a nice for talking to you. Any doubt?
No.
And firstly, when we are starting to talk, there is no hesitation in your heart. And don't take. Only you try to speak. Don't think I'm speaking right or wrong. So, how are you feeling now?
I am feeling better than.
Very good. And you?
I am feeling better than.
Good. And
I am also feeling better.
better than
I
you?
am also feeling better.
There is no any doubt?
No,
sir.
All is clear?
Yes.
sir.
Okay?
Okay.
That's enough. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay? Doubt? All is clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Stop that.